On the 5th day of Christmas, Crystal's holiday baking gave to me reindeer Rice Krispie treats. And that's what we're going to make today on day 5 of 12 days of baking with For Love of the Mouse. Welcome back, guys. Happy December 5th. We are really excited that you are here today. If you are new around here, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Click that like button if you like what we're doing and that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video. We are on day 5 of 12 days of holiday baking with For Love of the Mouse. I'm Crystal and I am loving doing this series. Holiday baking is one of my favorite things to do in the holidays. It is so steeped in tradition for me. It goes back to my great-grandmother used to bake with my grandmother. My grandmother baked with my mom, and we all used to bake together. My grandma passed a couple of years back, and so this is really something that has just kept her in my heart for the holidays, and it's just really special to me. So I'm really excited to be sharing all of that with you. So today we are making reindeer Krispie treats. Now these are super simple, super fun. You can do them with your whole family because Rice Krispie treats are so family friendly and they're so simple. So really you're only going to need a few things for this. Now if you want to cook along with us, we would love that. We would also love for you to tag us if you take any photos of your creations following what we're doing here. In addition to the vlogs, we also have a corresponding blog post that goes up every day detailing the recipes and step-by-step instructions. Well, let's get started. So for these Krispie treats, you only need a few ingredients. You're of course going to need Krispie rice cereal. You're also going to need a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, work the best, but if you don't have them, you can use the bigger ones, but we definitely recommend these. They just come out better. We're also going to need holiday M&Ms. And if you want to, you can also, if you have like a regular bag of M&Ms, we can use that for the other ones, and you can just use the red ones in the holiday M&Ms for the Rudolph ones. Then we have some store-bought chocolate icing. You can of course make your own, but this is super simple, and we're only using it for a few different touches here and there, so I really didn't want to make an entire batch of chocolate buttercream. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter, and also I found these really adorable. I found these at the store. You can also find them on Amazon. We found them at our grocery store, but you can find them at Amazon, Target, Walmart, all kinds of places, Hobby Lobby, and they're little googly eyes. So let me take one out and show you. So they're little googly eyes, we'll see if it can focus, that we are going to use for the eyes of our reindeer. And then last but not least, you're going to need some baking spray, and also because we're going to try a couple of different antler options and you can choose whichever one you prefer, or you can do both. We're also going to need some chocolate covered pretzels, mini pretzels. So that's what you're going to need. Let's get baking. So we have our saucepan heating. It's at about a medium-high heat. We're going to go ahead and add our 3 tablespoons of butter, and then we're going to add our 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. Got our Rice Krispies all mixed in, and now we are going to grease a 9x13 pan and spread it evenly in the pan. So I have our pan all sprayed, and I'm going to go ahead and put our Rice Krispie mixture into the pan and spread it evenly. The other thing I want to say too is make sure that when you're melting the marshmallows and incorporating the Krispies that you use a spatula like this and not a wooden spatula, because that won't end well. If the Rice Krispies start to stick like mine are, you can spray a little bit of cooking spray onto your spatula, and that'll help you be able to evenly flatten it without pulling up all the Krispies. So we're going to work this into an even layer, and then all we have to do is wait for it to cool, and then we're going to cut it and decorate it. So we've waited about a half an hour. Our Rice Krispie treats are set up. All I had to do was flip them out of the pan. They came out in one piece, and then I cut them into squares. So now all we have to do is the fun part, and now we're gonna get to decorating. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our little eyeballs, and obviously you're going to need 2 for each reindeer. And then what I did is I just separated out some of the brown chocolate candies and the red chocolate candies. And I'm just going to kind of alternate which ones I use, because we can't all have a Rudolph. And what I'm going to use to adhere them is I'm going to use this decorating icing, like I said at the beginning of the video, because it's super simple. And so you're just going to dab either a little bit onto the back of whatever you're going to adhere, or you're just going to dab it directly onto the Rice Krispie treat, your canvas. And then for the antlers, I'll show you an up close look, but there's 2 options that you can do. You can either adhere 2 little mini chocolate covered pretzels, and you can do that kind of up either wholly on the Rice Krispie like so, or a little bit farther up like that. Or you can draw the antlers using your chocolate decorating icing. So I'll show you both options. Let's get to decorating. Alright guys, we have finished up with these delicious reindeer Krispie treats. They turned out so cute. I can't even handle the cuteness. And they were so simple. All it is a few ingredients. You just need a little bit of time to let the Krispie treats set before you cut them and decorate them. But this is the perfect family-friendly holiday treat, and everyone will definitely get a little extra cheer from these little buddies. We did both options. So we did the pretzel, and then we also did the drawn on. We actually prefer the one that's hand-drawn, but the pretzel is really cute too. It gives it a little something extra, something super cute. There you have it. There are our crispy reindeer treats. I hope you guys enjoyed the 5th day of holiday baking with Crystal. We have so many more days coming, and we hope that you tune in along with us. Be sure to check out our corresponding blog post for each of the 12 days of holiday baking so that you have every ingredient and step-by-step instructions for how to create your own 12 days of holiday baking goodness. Also, be sure to check out our Etsy shop, because these ears and so many other cute pairs are up in our Etsy shop right now. We launched our holiday line, and we can't wait for you to check it out. If you're new around here, be sure you click that subscribe button, click that like button if you like what we're doing and you're a big fan of holiday baking, and click that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video. Happy holidays, everyone. From our house to yours, we wish you many days of holiday baking and Christmas cheer. Thank you so much for stopping by, and for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.